Okay guys, what is up, what's up people? Welcome back to another video. Today, this is going to be a weird upload because it's Wednesday, but I need to actually replace this graphics card. Well, I don't need to, but I'm going to because I have a better one. Let me just get that really quick. So, I'm moving from a Radeon, it's an AMD Radeon 7600, non-XT, no nothing, which is kind of an older card. And I'm moving to quite the upgrade. It's an AMD Radeon RX 7900 XT, the Sapphire Pulse version. 20 gigabytes of VRAM. That's quite a bit. And yeah, and it has 3 fans, so it's able to overclock. I wanted that just because I wanted a 3-fan GPU, because I knew it would be quieter, and it can handle heavier loads, and it can overclock way better. So, I haven't opened, so it's all the clear expression, like super resolution, really color accuracy. Yeah, it says all this right here. Minimum 8 gigabytes, I have 16 myself. You guys express on the board, I have that too. Minimum 750 watt radio power supply. Good, I have all that. Yeah, so, let's do it. Here we go. The screws over here on this GPU, which is right here. And I'll see you when that's done. I have the graphics card out now. Pins are yummy looking. I'm gonna set this over here. So I'm just gonna kind of turn it this way. And I'll see you when it's unboxed. Gosh, it's another box! Well, here's the original box, so... But there's the new box. Now to get this open. Okay. Just kind of angle it that way. Alright. And boom! Ho, 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 ho. Some support bracket installation. We're going to need that, actually. And... Ooh, it comes with an actual... Okay, that's really nice, actually. Wow. This is quite the beefy boy. I'm going to get it out, and I'm going to show it to you. Gosh, this thing is massive. Wow. Holy crap. Oh, there's a peel. Best way to... Oh, there we go. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. This matches really good with the RAM, too. Wowza. That is a beefy card. Like, look at that compared to my hand. The old guy. Like, wow. Holy crap. Bro. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to play games on this. Twice as many ports on it. Whoa. That's HDMI. That's HDMI. You guessed it. That's USB. And that's USB again. So, 2 HDMI and 2 USB ports. Okay, oh my gosh. I need to turn it to the... See the actual... Oh my gosh. This is awesome. That's what the front is going to look like. You can see the actual chip in there. That's so cool. Alright. Time for the stressful part of putting it in the actual PCIe slot right there. Got that bad boy slapped in there. I got the power cords connected. The 2 cords. But now I need to put this bracket on that came with it. So, give me a second to figure this out. We got it locked in. I mean, it's there. Like, you know it's there. Fans, they won't be obstructed at all by this support, and that support is very sturdy. I'm glad they included that, because I almost bought 2 things. I almost bought a new power cord right here, because this one splits off into 2 8-pin connectors, and I didn't think it came with one, but this was zip tied to this one, like right there. So nice. And I almost bought a support with it, and that would have been $28, so just save myself 28 bucks. After that's done. Believe it or not, I think we're good to go. I put everything back. Graphics card is sturdy. The PCIe slot is clamped down. I think we're ready to actually boot it up for the first time and see if it works. I'm not looking forward to this. I'm gonna put on the panel now. All right. Thumb screws. I don't want. Boom. And boom. That's the upgraded PC, and oh my gosh, that graphics card is massive. It actually fills up the case now, and that's how we're doing. Okay, now that everything is set up, time for the first boot with that new graphics card. I'm not excited for this. All right, it's all plugged in. Let's go. Please post, please post, please post, please post. Post, please. Please post. One of you post, please. Come on. Come on. Oh my gosh. Post.